Welcome to my channel. Have you ever made a decision that changed your life? Or have you ever spent hours thinking about a choice and still felt confused? What if the quality of your life depends on the quality of your decisions? Stay with me until the end because today we will learn the powerful skill of decision making and how it can shape your future. English as a professional language. English has become the most widely used professional language in the modern world. It serves as a common means of communication among people from different countries, cultures, and professional backgrounds. In today's globalized economy, English plays a crucial role in business, education, technology, science, healthcare, and international relations. Professionals who possess strong English communication skills often enjoy better career opportunities and greater success in their respective fields. The importance of English as a professional language has grown significantly over the past few decades. As companies expand across borders and international collaboration becomes more common, organizations need a shared language that allows employees, clients, and stakeholders to communicate effectively. English has emerged as that common language in many industries. One of the primary reasons English is considered a professional language is its widespread use in international business. Many multinational corporations conduct meetings, negotiations, and correspondence in English. Employees who can communicate clearly in English are often better equipped to interact with international colleagues and customers. Professional communication requires clarity, precision, and confidence. English provides a standardized platform for sharing ideas, presenting information, and discussing complex topics. Whether writing emails, preparing reports, delivering presentations, or participating in conferences, English helps professionals communicate effectively. In the corporate world, English proficiency is often viewed as a valuable skill. Employers frequently seek candidates who can read, write, speak, and understand English fluently. Strong English skills can increase employability and open doors to leadership positions. English is also the dominant language of technology and innovation. Most programming languages, technical documentation, software manuals, and online resources are available in English. Professionals working in information technology often rely on English to learn new skills and stay updated with industry developments. In higher education, English serves as the primary language of instruction in many universities worldwide. Academic journals, research papers, and scholarly publications are predominantly written in English. As a result, students and researchers need English proficiency to access knowledge and contribute to their fields. The healthcare sector also benefits from English as a professional language. Medical professionals often use English to study medical literature, attend international conferences, and collaborate with colleagues from different countries. Accurate communication is essential for patient care and medical research. English plays a significant role in international trade. Businesses involved in importing and exporting goods frequently use English to negotiate contracts, discuss logistics, and manage partnerships. Effective communication can help prevent misunderstandings and strengthen business relationships. Professional English differs from casual conversation. It emphasizes formal vocabulary, proper grammar, and respectful communication. Professionals must adapt their language to suit workplace expectations and maintain a positive image. Writing professional emails is an important aspect of workplace communication. Clear and concise emails help convey information efficiently and reduce confusion. Professionals use polite language and proper formatting to ensure their messages are understood. Presentations are another area where English skills are valuable. Professionals often present ideas, proposals, and research findings to colleagues and clients. Strong presentation skills require confidence, organization, and effective use of language. Meetings often involve discussions, problem solving, and decision making. English enables participants from diverse backgrounds to share opinions and collaborate effectively. Good listening skills are equally important in professional communication. English is widely used in customer service roles. Employees who communicate effectively in English can better understand customer needs and provide appropriate solutions. Excellent communication contributes to customer satisfaction and loyalty. Leadership positions often require advanced English skills. Managers and executives need to communicate goals, motivate teams, and negotiate with stakeholders. Effective leadership depends on clear and persuasive communication. Professional networking is another area where English plays a vital role. Conferences, seminars, and online platforms allow professionals to connect with others in their industries. English serves as a common language for building professional relationships. Job interviews frequently assess English communication skills. Candidates who express themselves clearly and confidently often create positive impressions. Good communication can significantly influence hiring decisions. English proficiency contributes to career growth. Employees who communicate effectively may receive more responsibilities, promotions, and opportunities for international assignments. Language skills can enhance professional credibility. The tourism and hospitality industries rely heavily on English. Hotels, airlines, travel agencies, and tourist attractions use English to serve international visitors. Employees with strong English skills can provide better customer experiences. In the legal profession, English is often used for contracts, agreements, and international legal documentation. Precision and accuracy are essential to avoid misunderstandings and disputes. English is also important in the field of marketing. Professionals create advertisements, promotional materials, and digital content to reach global audiences. Effective language use helps convey messages and attract customers. The rise of remote work has further increased the importance of English. Virtual teams often consist of members from different countries who use English as a common language. Clear communication supports productivity and teamwork. Professional English includes industry specific terminology. Different professions use specialized vocabulary that helps experts communicate efficiently. Learning relevant terminology is essential for career success. Confidence in speaking English can improve workplace performance. Professionals who express their ideas clearly are more likely to participate actively in discussions and contribute valuable insights. Continuous learning is important for maintaining English proficiency. Reading professional articles, attending workshops, and practicing communication skills can help individuals improve over time. Technology provides numerous opportunities for learning English. Online courses, language apps, and educational videos make it easier for professionals to develop their language skills. Cultural awareness is closely linked to professional communication. Understanding cultural differences helps professionals communicate respectfully and avoid misunderstandings in international environments. Professional ethics also influence communication. Honesty, transparency, and respect are essential qualities that should be reflected in professional language. English serves as a bridge between cultures. It enables people from different backgrounds to collaborate, share knowledge, and achieve common goals. Strong English skills contribute to personal and professional development. They increase confidence, improve communication, and create opportunities for lifelong learning. Globalization continues to strengthen the role of English in professional settings. As businesses and organizations become more interconnected, English remains a valuable tool for communication and collaboration. The future of professional communication will likely continue to involve English as a dominant language. Emerging technologies and international partnerships will further increase the demand for English proficiency. Professionals who invest time in improving their English skills can gain a competitive advantage in the job market. Language proficiency often distinguishes candidates and employees in highly competitive industries. English is not only a language but also a tool for career advancement, knowledge sharing, and international cooperation. It empowers individuals to connect with opportunities beyond geographical boundaries. Effective professional communication requires practice, dedication, and continuous improvement. Professionals should focus on developing speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills to achieve success. In conclusion, English has established itself as the leading professional language across the world. It facilitates communication, supports career growth, and promotes global collaboration, whether in business, education, technology, healthcare, or other fields. English remains an essential skill for modern professionals. Mastering professional English can open countless opportunities and help individuals thrive in an increasingly interconnected world. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. I read every comment and would love to hear your story. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep making wise decisions. I will see you in the next video.